Okay, you guys, so the palette that I'm going to be using today is this Profusion palette, and this is the Glamour Bar, the chocolate Glamour Bar, and this is what it looks like, as you guys can see. I actually like this. I don't know, I like the design of it, like the chocolate drip thing going on here. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up, and it has a mirror. And this is what I'm gonna take this little packaging off, but this is what it looks like, and it comes with a mirror, as you guys can see. Hello. And this is all the shades right here. I love these colors, guys. Ew. So yeah, this is the palette that we're gonna be using today. I'm gonna do a look with this, and yeah, we're just gonna see how this goes. So without further ado, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the first color that I'm going to use as my transition color is this color right here, which is like a lighter brown. And also, guys, I forgot to mention that this palette does come with a brush. So yeah, this is just a little nice little blending brush, and I'm just going to take that color and we're gonna go in the crease, and of course it has a mirror, so I don't have to worry about that. Just watch me work, watch me do this, okay? Tryna fry me with a bag with nigga, hold up. If you ever try to play me, nigga, use a hold up. Hold up. Alright, you guys, so now that we got that color down as our transition, we're going to go in with this darker shade right here. And I'm just going to add that on the outer corner of my eye right here in the crease. So the next color I'm going to take is the shimmery chocolate color right here, and we're going to add that on to my lid. Alright, next we're going to go into our wing eyeliner, and then I'm gonna do my eyelashes off camera because that really takes a while for me to do, but for now we're gonna do our eyeliner. Okay, you guys, so I did my lashes off camera because I knew it was going to take a while. No man never come out before them come. Diamond, then I'm not so good, man, off time, man. Hold tight to them, me grinding
Why we dying before we do it? Me have to remind you why me like ya. Yeah, you're different. I'm with a wife, yeah. Move you wanna make me slide inside, yeah. Give me some good, good fuck. Lights, the music turned up. Back with things in my church, we got. Feel like you put on your name tag. See, I know you've been waiting. You won't wait no more. Wait up for me. We together when you wait up for me. Wait up for me. Take your time and come up for me. Wait up for me. Wait up for me. Wait up for me. We together when you wait up for me.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to go back in with that same chocolate that we used as our transition color, and I'm going to add that right up underneath my eye.
Look at you thinking you could live without him, now look at you living. Look at you doing way better and all out of your feelings. Your head just came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. And you can do better.
So there you have it, you guys. This was my chocolate glam look, and I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If so, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and follow me on my social media. I will leave everything in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Mwah.